Ulit, lakasan mo.
With me, says Dad, where will you go? Mia asks, we will go to a happy place. There's a lot of balloons. We will play, dance, and run. We will have so much fun. We will eat orange cake that Mom and Dad bake. Then we sing happy birthday, dear Benny.
Oh, answer. Answer the questions.
Ay.
Question. Ika, basahin mo.
Ay,
Who
who asked Mia to go to the happy
plays?
place?
Oh, who
Dan.
Ah?
Si Dan.
Oh, letter B. Letter
B.
B. Oh, number 2.
What words say something about the happy place?
Saan na? Patingin. What will the children do in
Dito ko.
the happy place? They will, ano daw?
What words say something about the happy place?
Laksan mo, di narinig ni Ma'am yan.
Happy place.
Ano,
C.
ano sagot mo?
C.
C. Oh.
C.
Ano
They
pa?
will
Number
dance while they play.
4.
Whose birthday is it?
Oh, ano sa Tagalog yan? Whose the birthday is it?
Ako na.
Oh.
Sino birthday?
Ano, sino?
Day.
Ano sagot mo?
Si Benny.
Si Benny.
Oh, ayun na.
Si Benny may birthday. Oh, number?
Which word tells the dad's feels?
Which the dance feels, ano? Okay, dance and dance and we are to exchange cake or the bake. Come with me, dance we go to me. Ano lang term?
Excited.
Ha?
Excited.
Ano?
Excited.
Anong letter yon? Anong letter? Letter?
C.
C. Oh, number 6.
What is the best response that Billy can make after seeing Dan and Mia?
Mina. Ano?
Baka.
Ano?
I'm glad you came.
Ano ang sagot?
I'm glad you came. A.
Ang ganyan eh. Nasisira
A.
sa...
A.
Letter?
A.
Oh, ulit pa. Isa pa. 3 yan ah.
Ako tapos na.
Ano pa ito? Nabasa ba natin yan?
Oh.
Isa pa. Meron 4 yun na, di ba?
Ito.
Ano pa? Ito. Ano yan?
Ito.
The cat
Ito.
and
The
kitten.
And kittens. Dad and Pepe will play, but the sun is hot, says Pepe. Let us get a cap, says Dad. My cap is not on my bed, says Pepe.
Lakasan mo.
My cap is not in my bag, says Dad. Look, boys, a cat has kittens, says Mama. Pig has 4 kittens, says Dad. Yay, the kitten's not in my caps.
Oh, questions. Why did Dad and Papa need their cups?
A.
Ay, ibig na tayo si Lunga.
A.
Letter?
A.
Oh, number 2.
Eh, kasi, mainit daw.
Ikaw lang nakakarinig. Lakasan mo.
So, number 2.
Baka bababasa ka principal. Sabihin, hindi ka mababasa.
Want them to look at?
Look at.
At.
Oh, ano na sagot? Oh,
The kittens.
number 3.
Who is with me?
Oh, parang mahihirapan ng lihita.
The pet cat.
Oh,
What did the kittens
kitten.
use the cups for?
Ano lang, sir?
For sleeping on.
Hmm?
For sleeping on. Ayun oo, kasi
Oh, number 5.
What did the boys face when they saw the kittens?
Oh, ano?
See, masaya.
Oh, number 6.
What do you think will the boys do after? See.
Oh, yeah, very good. Oh, ano yan?
English, may Filipino pa.
Oh, ano ba yan?
Filipino haba.
Ano, nanganin ako eh.
Ganyan na lang.
Ah,
Ganyan na lang.
oh, mamaya na.